Hello. Yeah, someone who can. How you going? It is Wednesday, my dudes. Yeah, hope you're doing good. Today, I don't know. I don't know why I get anxious when I'm deciding to use my flesh on stream. But I hope you're good. Here, have some of that. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna do this. Let me know if it sounds shitty. But I'm just gonna put on some lo-fi stuff while I do this. Chthonic, how you doing? Oh, hey, Lizzie loves Satan. How you going? Happy win. Yeah, you like my helmet? There we go. Bam! Halloween time. Halloween's finished, and so on and so forth. How you going? I am going to attempt to fix the PlayStation that died while I was streaming Silent Hill. So hold on, let me just chuck this on. I'll make it a bit quieter. Turn that off. See how we go here. Shuffle. Shuffle on. Why no shuffle? Why you no shuffle? Oh, here we go. Shuffle. All right, cool. We're all chill. We're all chill. Okay, let's do this. Slipping. Oh shit.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
All right, I'm about to show you my meat. So
I wish I were a bird.
Just here we go. Let's see if I can do this. Turn that off. All right. And it's all a very elaborate setup. Oh, did that work? Let's see. Ciao. Haha. My desk. How? Yeah, look. So yeah, I got my Mickey Mouse gloves on again. And I've got an array of things that I need: the motor, my PlayStation, and some tools here. It might be a bit hard to do that with my gloves on, actually. So let me just got cheese fingers on them anyway. There you go. That's my actual my skin here. My real hands. I can see your face in the reflection of the PS. No, you can't. All right. So no, it's safe for work. It's safe for work. So I think I'm just doing this from memory because I looked at a thing last week on how to do it. So you have to open it up first. So let's just get in there. Get in there. And hopefully not lose any screws. As healthy as the Blue Man Group. Yeah. Is the Blue Man Group healthy? It must be. They must eat a lot of, like, blueberries. I suppose too much of anything is bad for you, isn't it? Okay, Bloomer. Okay, so if this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do about the PlayStation side of things, but I've got some backup stuff to do. So we'll see how we go. All right, so let's just move that out the way. I don't think there's any other screwing I have to do. I think you just flip, and it just should come off like quite nicely, like so. Can you see me in the reflection of the laser? All right, so here, when I opened it up last week to see like what the go was, there was like some weird bug in this area here, and I didn't like that, so I got rid of it. Blue Man Group they're doing pretty well. Active, good rhythm, curious about the world. Yeah, that's some of that is true about me. All right, so I gotta put on that later. So all you have to do, I don't have to do any soldering or anything like that. You just have to unclip this ribbon here. And then this plug here. So one must be for the laser, one must be for the motor. And then it just comes off. Like that. So, a new one here. What about the blue hand group? Well, hopefully they'll let me join. Alright. So, I don't know what good quality this is. It was hard to sort of find, like, what was good. Oh, did you notice my supervisor here? The penguin dude? Subaru made the hat for it. I actually asked Subaru to make me a hat for my toe, and it ended up fitting the penguin quite well. Anyway, it's all... There you go. Okay, now back to work. Alright, so hopefully it's... I mean, it looks very similar. It's missing this back plate here. Maybe I'll have to take that back plate off and put it on, actually. So, I do need these again. Penguin hat, yeah. Okay. We're going into uncharted territory here. Oh, and there's no... Oh, I need this as well. Okay. Well, it's fun to do this on the fly. I can get rid of that. Take this back a little bit. I'm just taking this back plate off. And then... Alright, so that's more looking like what it looks like. Slip that out here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. A bit filthy. That's all right. And then we want to put that here. Like so. Get out the way. Ribbon. Damn it. Okay, good. The screws fit, so that's good. I won't over tighten just in case it's like shittier plastic and it explodes. Cool. Alright, it's looking pretty good. Why is that so loose? Maybe I do have to tighten it up. Okay, that's better. Alright, now I just think I need this component here. Hopefully it doesn't... Yep, very good. And then plug it in there. Okay, who was paying attention before? As to how everything was sort of sitting. I think it's pretty good just to go... I was sitting underneath. I was definitely sitting underneath. Okay. Like this. Cool. Plug that in there. Don't bend any pins. Alright, and this... Hopefully this way. Okay, well I think that's it. The only thing is, like, I've heard sometimes these... So if these are pushed down, they drag across the metal underneath. But if they're too high, the disc sort of isn't being read properly. But I suppose we'll figure it out. Uh, um, it's hammer time. No, no hammers. How can you both be speaking with your hand and using it? My God. Well, I didn't want to say anything, but I can talk through all my hands. But also, what you're hearing isn't sound. You're hearing my thoughts in your head. So you might want to look out for that. All right. So the tricky part here is trying to put the roof on with this. This has to sit here. It's not too tricky. It's not that tricky. I can't remember which way. Yeah, this is the right way. Yeah, it doesn't like sitting there by itself, though. Okay. He may have as many as 6, maybe. So you sort of just got to slot that over the top. If it wants to go. There we go. Lovely. And then we'll put the screws back in. And hopefully it doesn't like explode on me. I should have got like a non-slip mat. That's all right, I'm almost done. There we go. If only we had a recording of how it came apart. No, I think I put it back together properly, so it should be fine. Is it from the slapping of fingers? No, that's a different sound. Crunchy sounds. Oh, the sound, the music is crunchy. Fucking crunchy music. All right, I can. You're just gonna have to listen to my voice while we do this. I don't have the chill music on this part, so sorry about that. I'll turn that. It's very annoying that it goes crunchy. Okay. Anyway, I'm almost done. Last screw. First, we'll test if it turns on. All right. Good. Nice. Get rid of that. Put the power here. Disgusting looking power cord. I don't know why. Sorry. And see if it turns on. It does. Wonder if it spins. Let's see if it spins a disc. Don't look at my reflection. Actually, I can just hold this button down. Well, spinning it. Looks a bit off center, but we'll see. And I'll plug it in. This cable is intense. All right, cool. Well, let me just get to the gaming screen. Turn that off and turn that on. And hopefully that'll just, I tested it before. Come on. Oh, there you go. Good. That's good. Let me see. I just got to change the setting on my screen. Heaps easy. Yeah, I know. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it works. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my screen to my main screen is such a pain in the ass with like changing inputs. So you have to sort of turn it off and then back on and then change the input. Like you have to surprise it. There we go. No, not brightness. HDMI. Okay, so now I can see what's going on. Yes, good. All right, here's the test. Let me put a. Where's the controller? Let me put a controller in. I'll leave it over there for 1 second. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty easy. That's why I was confident to do it. You don't have to do any like soldering or anything like that. So I've just got the demo disc in. Last time it wouldn't load. Okay, that's... Well, it turns on at least. But that wasn't the problem. Is that taking longer than usual? It is. Sounds... Oh, what's low? This could be the... It could just be the disc is shit. It's trying. I can hear it trying. Will it load? Okay. Well, I think that's further than I got last time on this demo disc. Let's see if it loads at least one game on this one. Oh no, that's right. I got Tomb Raider working. Let's try Bomberman World. Doesn't sound any healthier than the last. It doesn't sound any healthier than the last laser and motor. So I don't know what's going on. Let's see if this loads. Well, it's loading. The real test will be if it loads Silent Hill. Okay. It's kind of working. kind of, but that like this again could be the disc. Let me, you know what? Let's just fucking go to. Let's just go to Silent Hill and see if that loads. All right, everyone, cross whatever you got. Your fingers. I was supposed to get rid of that. Okay, well this is loading faster than the demo disc. This could be good. Could be good. Oh, maybe not. Come on, please load. I really want to play Silent Hill. I don't know if there's like an extra step that you have to do to like get the laser focused on where it needs to read or something like that.
Everyone, go fucking cardle yourself some milk. AAH, get YER hands in there N get dirty, and UH. I'll see you in 4 minutes bye.
Thank you. You lost your PS1 visiting Australia, lent to some kid who liked genomics. I missed the console. Well, it's fucking broken. How you going, Space Skidoo? Yeah, so I think maybe the issue might not be it might not have been the laser. It might be something else going on. Maybe something with the RAM or whatever that it needs to load into before like doing what it does. Very disappointing.